Funky mix. Start sequence. Let's go.
Smart dimmer switch by Maxcio. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi and use Alexa or Google Home if you want to control it. Or you can also push these buttons at the top and bottom to turn it up or down. And that digit there in the display will go up or down. So in the box, you have the switch itself, which you see it already comes pre-wired. You got some wire nuts, which makes it really easy to connect these to your current wires. You got the wall plate. This does only come in white. You can't get the other colors last I saw. You do have a couple screws in here to screw this into the wall. And it's got a little guide, which looks like it's all in English. Pretty self-explanatory. If you're not sure, get an electrician. And then you need to download the Smart Life app, which you might already have if you have other devices. I already have it, because I have other devices that I'm using on here. As you can see, I got a couple lights, camera. So now all I gotta do is add this once I turn this on. You got to push and hold the button to get it to connect, and then you set it up through Wi-Fi through the app. And then once you do there, if you have Alexa or Google Home, you go into that app and set the things up in there. So it's not really that hard to do. As you can see, I'm planning on replacing this light with this one. It is just a little smaller on the corners. So as long as you got it painted under there, you should be alright. You can see this one has an up and down here too. So I'm going to replace that one. So other than that, this should be pretty easy. Like I said, it's kind of self-explanatory. It's already got the wires in here. It's a little different than what you see online. On Amazon, it shows like a plate and you got to plug these in, but these are already pre-wired. It's even easier than you think. So if you're in the market, this should work. It should be a good one.